The Ferrari Cobram is truly the tractor of the future. It features Ferrari's most advanced technology, such as an electronically controlled Kohler engine that exceeds EPA Tier 4 standards, offering reduced fuel consumption, greatly reduced diesel emissions, and quiet operation. Combine this with Ferrari's 15-degree oscillating frame, reversible cockpit, and all-time four-wheel drive, and you have an extremely versatile tool to meet the needs of many different applications. All of these technologies translate into increased production efficiencies, overall stability, operator comfort, and reduced impact on the environment. The Cobram is offered with two different steering options. Choose between our award-winning AR articulated steering or the RS standard front steer version. The AR option allows for the tightest turning radius in its class, while the RS option provides predictable stability on steep slopes. Both the AR and RS versions of the Cobram come equipped with monodirectional or reversible cockpit options, where the entire operator's platform, including the seat, steering wheel, and dashboard, can be reversed in less than 10 seconds with ease. This reversible cockpit allows for the safe and easy operation of front or rear-mounted attachments. The electronically controlled Kohler KDI engine supplies the Cobram with 56 horsepower. The engine operates on a common rail system that ensures precise fuel injection, offering both fuel efficiency and reduced fuel consumption, as well as quiet operation. The 24-speed synchronized gearbox on the Cobram features 12 forward and 12 reverse gear selections. This large, single-drive shaft gear selector provides precise ground speed control ranging from 0.5 to 23 miles per hour. The Cobram comes equipped with a multi-disc hydraulic clutch. This design offers smoother engagement, a longer clutch life with lower maintenance, and less downtime. The power steering system, with its double-action hydraulic system, comes standard on both the AR and RS versions. Combined with a short wheelbase, this system allows for precise predictive and reactive maneuvering, making the Cobram extremely agile on even the most difficult of terrains, including slopes. Operator comfort and safety were top of mind when designing the operator's station on the tractor. It offers a lowered driving position ideal for use in tight spaces and keeps the operator safe and comfortable for prolonged use. The gear levers are logically positioned beneath the steering wheel for easy operator access. The automotive-style dashboard is full of digital technology. This multifunction color display is a machine-to-man interface continuously monitoring all functions of the tractor, such as diagnostic warnings and RPM, hydraulic, and PTO status. The Cobram's hydraulic and lifting system is equipped with a double circuit, controlled via independent pumps, with the option for oversized pumps, a heat exchanger, and a higher flow rate to the rear control valves. Lifting capacity at the rear 3-point lift system is rated at 3,329 pounds, via the standard Category 1 hitch or with the optional quick hitch and/or adjustable L-shaped lift arms. The Cobram can be equipped with one of Ferrari's comfort cabs, featuring complete climate control, a filtration system, and work lights. This cab offers a slender, streamlined profile to reduce the chances of catching and damaging any vegetation, while providing unrestricted visibility, an essential feature while working in narrow vineyard and orchard rows. To learn more about the Ferrari Cobram or to find your local dealer, go to ferraritractor.com or call 1-800-777-5594.